everyone, today's baby food is going to be organic petite Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna go ahead and boil some water. Once it starts boiling, add these in and give it about 5 to 10 minutes. And then you'll go ahead and put them in the baby bullet with some of that water and we'll go from there. Okay, so the water started boiling. You had to go ahead and add your Brussels sprouts. And this is 10 ounces of Brussels sprouts, and I'll let it cook for 10 minutes. So put your timer on for 8 to 10 minutes. I'll do it for 10 because by the time it starts boiling again, and then we'll be back. If they are frozen, which mine are, if you want every 2 minutes or so, go ahead and separate like the leaves with a fork. That way it's easier for it to cook a little bit faster. Hello everyone again. So now we're going to place Brussels sprouts in here. They're nice and soft. Just do a little bit at a time. Use the same water. I'm loving this, guys. Loving. Look how nice and thick this is. Oh, this tastes really good. Like, I don't like trying my baby food, but it's good. Look, guys. Not too close. Nice and creamy. This is the perfect texture, obviously, for like a 7-8 month old. You don't want to give this to a baby that just started purees because it's kind of thick and they'll just not choke on it, it's just gonna gag. So now you're gonna put it into your silicone ice tray or whatever ice trays you do have, any kind work. The good thing that Brussels sprouts have is a lot of vitamin C, and it has iron as well. Fiber has 3 grams of fiber. That is awesome. I didn't even realize how much fiber it has. Fiber, or dietary fiber, same thing I believe. It's good. You need it. If it has 3 grams or more, even 2 grams, that's excellent. It's good for the digestive system. That way the baby doesn't get constipated. This is definitely hopefully a big yes for me. I hope he does like it, so I think he should like it. It's almost the same consistency as peas, so I do hope that he does end up liking this, because I'm sure I will keep buying these. These are excellent. So let's go ahead and pour these in here. Go ahead, cover it. If you don't have this, you can just use a regular ice tray and plastic wrap. And freeze it for 6 to 8 hours or overnight, whatever you prefer. And I'll be back to show you what that looks like and how you guys can store your food. Okay, it is the next day. And then we're going to take them out. If you have a baby bullet, all you have to do is push. That's what these things are here for. Make sure you have clean counters. I was able to make 16 ounces of Brussels sprouts. I have this, and then I have like 4 more in another ice tray. So you label your bag and the date you made them, and put the rest in there, seal it tight, and you're all set. There you have it.